So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make the world's fluffiest pancakes. These are absolutely delicious. Really simple to make. Most of the ingredients you've probably got lying around in your cupboard somewhere, so you've got to give it a go, no excuses. Get a mixing bowl and a fine sieve. Through the sieve you want to pass 300 grams of self-raising flour. It is important that you use self-raising flour because it will help with the lift. Once you've sieved all your flour through, you're going to add a pinch of salt. Then a tablespoon of caster sugar goes in. And then a teaspoon of baking powder. Just give them a really good mix together. And then you want to get on with your wet ingredients. So I've got 2 medium-sized eggs going into 300 millilitres of room temperature milk. Once you've added your eggs in, give it a really good whisk together. Just make sure all your egg is incorporated into the milk. And then it's time to combine the two. So put your wet ingredients into the dry. You're just going to give these a good whisk together until it's nice and smooth. Once it's smooth, add in a nice handful of blueberries. You can add any fruit you like at this point. I just prefer blueberries. I think they're absolutely delicious in this recipe. And that's the consistency you're looking for. Get yourselves 2 knobs of butter in a medium-high heat pan. Don't want to go too hot because you don't want to burn your butter. And then just ladle in, one at a time, these absolutely delicious batter mix. You'll literally see it puff up before your eyes. It's beautiful. So how do you know when to turn it? When you start seeing these little bubbles coming through, that's a good indicator that it's time to go. Now you could toss this if you like, but I'm not that brave. So nice and confidently, just give it a good flip over. It will bust out the sides a little bit, but don't worry, just reform it back into the pancake shape. This recipe I'm showing you will make 4 nice sized pancakes, so you've got to give it a go, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please leave it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to become part of the family, share this video with your friends so everyone else gets to see it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you very much for watching.